let's have a recap of the problem. So we had the airbag light on and it keeps on blinking. Yep, it's still there. Apparently the previous steering clock was not working. It's running free for some reason. We got the new steering clock. I had to get it in used because apparently the new manufacturers are not manufacturing the right part anymore unless you go to the dealership and try to buy the super expensive part. So I needed the one with the 2 pins, which you can see with the original part, and 1 pin over here. So let's see. I'll screw over there, and one is underneath. All you need to do is pop it out. One grip is supposed to go there. I clipped it off. One is for there. This is for horn, and this is for airbag. Be careful with this one. This can explode like a bomb anytime. Okay. Let me unscrew the steering first. It's already loose because I was working on it already. Okay. Make sure when you unmount the steering, this clip can stuck in the steering and can get stretched. Okay. There are 3 clips, 1, 2, and 3. Carefully unclip all 3 together. And you can use the help of a screwdriver. And yeah, this is it. Okay. Let's give it a try. Okay, 1, be careful. 2, and 3. I hope that's good. Okay, now it's time for resetting the clock. So the basic principle is this clock has 5 turns. All we need to do is to divide these turns into 2.5 each side, so that when you steer your steering on each side, you have equal amount of rotation on each side. So let's see where it is right now. We start from anti-clockwise. 1, there is an arrow here from which you can identify or mark your rotations. 2, I think that was already the end. It was set into the middle already. So if this is half, this is 1, and this is 2, then according to the theory, there should be 2 circles, 2.5 circles ahead. Let's see. 1, 2, and kind of a 3. Yeah, can't say 3, it's 2.5. So 1 and 2. I think that is enough. Let's have the steering on just for the sake of confirming that we have equal amount of rotation each side or not before we plug in everything. Hold up. So it's here. 1 and half. Let's get to the straight again. Okay. That's the straight position, so it should turn the same amount on the other side. 1. Almost there, yeah. That's fine. Okay. We can get to the steering alignment afterwards. Carefully unmounting the rack. Now, get to the tricky part. Getting the grips on. Yep. Love that clicking sound. Yep. Everything else is here. Okay. You can confirm the tires as well. Look at it. Yep, yep. Perfectly straight. Okay. I think now is the time to get the steering on. Not too much tight because it might need reopening after testing. So okay, let's make sure we have all the grips on. Yep, horn's working. And I hope this airbag light should also have gone 1, 2, 3, and yeah, success! All done. Great.